Hello, welcome to the local weather update tonight, and kind of an active evening, but not here on Long Island so far. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Nassau County. That goes to midnight. Suffolk doesn't have it. Oddly enough, that's where the severe storm is. It's actually east. They only had the severe thunderstorm for southwestern Connecticut, the watch, but they really should have had it for the entire state because we do have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for parts of Fairfield and New Haven County. As this storm, we'll get right to the radar right now. Um, Go to the enhanced radar. There's severe thunderstorm warning out for it, and they've even had tornado warnings upstate, like way in western New York. But this is the line right here that we have to watch right here, and you can see it's moving out of New Haven. And there's another line here though that has now developed in. This one might eventually affect us here. No warnings out for this, but it is in northern New Jersey and Orange County and Rockland County. There's a line here that this may affect us in the next hour or so. But so far, not seeing a whole lot. We've had showers pop up, and there are actually some special marine warnings for some showers on the North Shore. Maybe some thunderstorms over there, but most of the severe stuff has been way upstate, as you see here, and in Connecticut. We'll have to see if this line holds together or not. Whether we'll get, if we back up a little bit, you'll see there's some more warnings over here, because if we look at the radar here, you'll see there's another line in Pennsylvania, so this might give us something. But looking at this other radar, you can see this line's actually pretty intense right now. It's up near Wantage, and then we have another breakaway cell again. They keep forming in the same spot in this Bronx here. We've got a breakaway thunderstorm here, but that's going to just move along the North Shore, and again, we have this storm here that's in New Haven. Not seeing a whole lot of lightning. That's the disappointing part with these storms. And there was a lot of lightning going on earlier in the Poughkeepsie Newburgh area with some pretty severe storms over there. But these storms do not have a lot of lightning. I was looking for the lightning tonight from this storm here in Connecticut, and there was a few flashes here and there. I didn't even bother going up to my viewing spot because I knew it was going to be disappointing by looking at the lightning tracker. So let's go to the current conditions in our area right now. And you can see, again, we have that severe thunderstorm warning for. And you can see where the storm is. It's mainly the strong wind threat. You can see some wind gusts up 21 miles an hour there in these storms here. So Bridgeport, northwest wind at 18 gusting. So there are going to be some gusty winds with these storms. Not a whole lot of lightning, but there's going to be some strong winds and heavy rain with them. As you see here, looking at some of these observations here. And it was bowing for a while as well. So I'm kind of curious. Let's see if we can find Danbury. Well, Shelton might have gotten a decent storm here. Well, that's not an official airport. Let's. I'm kind of curious about Danbury if I can find it, because I want to see what the gust was at Danbury when that came in through Danbury, it was pretty strong. All right, here's Danbury. Danbury's a place that gets a lot of bad thunderstorms. Let's see what they had when this line came through. Yeah, wind gusts up to 35 miles an hour around 9 o'clock. Reported there with the storm at Danbury. So it goes to show you, the strong winds, and then we had that storm over in Poughkeepsie. Let's look and see how much. You see temperatures on Long Island generally in the 70s. It's very humid out there, 75. The dew point is 72 at Islip. So, yeah, we still got the humidity to deal with. Let's go look at our highs today. And Long Island, generally low 80s. But if you go inland, New Jersey, upper 80s, close to 90. Same for the city. And mid-80s, mid to upper 80s in the Hudson Valley. And Connecticut, a little bit cooler. But, again, if you go more inland, it's going to be warmer. Not even going to bother looking at the lows. I know they didn't drop that much. I don't want to look at them. We can look at them. But, well, they did, actually. West Hampton got down to 57. The rest of us got into the mid-60s. Also, Pine Barrens areas in New Jersey got down to the low 60s. Of course, here in the urban hellhole, probably only low 70s in the alley. Lastly, we'll look at the precipitation, see how much rain these storms actually gave us in the past 24 hours here. You can see not much rain on Long Island. I guess those cells off the North Shore didn't really give much, but if you go, again, north, here you'll find some higher amounts here. 1.48. Yeah, so they got over an inch where the heavier storms were up near, again, Poughkeepsie and Newburgh. Let's go look at power outages and see if these storms actually caused. New York is in the yellow with 24,000 outages, and these storms did cause a lot of power outages. 3,000 plus in Putnam, 6,000 plus in Dutchess, Ulster 3,000, Sullivan 3,000, Delaware County 1,000, and again, we'll have to see if there were any tornadoes reported up there. There were a number of warnings as well. So let's go look at the satellite. And you'll see these storms firing up on the satellite too as well. And again, this is all ahead of a slow-moving cold front. And perhaps if it was moving a little faster, we would have actually gotten a much more widespread severe weather outbreak today. We're not out of the woods yet. There's still some more storms in Pennsylvania, but by the time we get later, things have a tendency to die out. Looking at our satellite, you can see here we have this front. Don't see any smoke yet, but there's still plenty of smoke in the northwest, and I see a little bit over Hudson Bay, too. And that's what it looked like today. Again, we had some sunshine, hazy sunshine. I'll show you what the pictures look like today. Again, we had some clouds overhead and then some breaks of sun. You can see these are some cumulonimbus clouds in the distance that I took here. Not that impressive. The better looking ones actually came tonight. This is what just some anvil blow-off. This is what the anvil blow-off looked like tonight. And then we had this cell here pop to the north. And this was no lightning with this, but we had a nice view of that. Another picture of it there. No lightning I was looking for. Trust me, there was none. It was just a shower. So let's go to the models now and go to the HRRR and take you through the rest of tonight here. And again, those showers and thunder. We may still see some storms later on, but generally as the night goes on, we have less, heating to work with. The front's moving slow, so I'm not too bullish on severe weather, but you know how slow it's moving. We're still dealing with chances for thunderstorms even into the morning. This is 8 o'clock. It pops a line right over central Suffolk County. So we're still dealing with this front. It's moving very, very slowly. And it's still showing another pop-up shower there. So the nice day that we're supposed to have tomorrow, as far as the nice dry day, well, it's not going to turn out as nice as we were hoping. So you'll see here that dew points don't really drop all that much until the evening. We really don't even drop the dew points out of the 60s. So it's going to stay humid tomorrow, unfortunately. We're not going to have that nice day that we were hoping for because this front is just kind of washing out again. Again, when you have a weak jet stream, fronts just don't move through. Looking at temperatures tomorrow, it's probably going to be more cloud cover than expected, so that might hold the temperatures down a little bit, but I still think we'll see mid-80s on Long Island and close to 90 in New Jersey. And then as we go into Sunday might be a little bit cooler with more cloud cover and more of an onshore flow. But we'll talk more about Monday and tomorrow night. So let's go to the skies here, and obviously with the slow-moving front, I'm not too hopeful with the skies, though this model does show sunshine later on, but I think there's going to be pop-up cumulus, and it's not going to have a good look to the sky if we don't get that dry air in here. I don't think we'll get a good look to the sky, maybe, but you'll start off with clouds, and again, possible shower and thunderstorm even in the morning. Still have that shower and thunderstorm chance even in the morning. We're going to have it, and then maybe some sunshine by the afternoon. But it's not going to be that. It's not going to turn out to be that great of a day. Let's go to the smoke model. And it doesn't look like there's any smoke around, at least. So maybe we'll have a blue sky. Maybe, but again, with the humidity around, I don't know. We'll have to see what happens. So not much to look at there with the smoke. The main thing is, again, these storm chances. Let's go look at the Cape again on the Ventus sky. We're actually going to go into tomorrow morning. You'll still see Cape over Long Island. 5 o'clock still. 8 o'clock still over Long Island. It doesn't really push off. Look at that. We still have Cape 11, too. So, yeah, there's some decent Cape over Long Island here, even during the day tomorrow. So, we could have a chance of some more thunderstorms. Again, look at the lifted index. Yeah, that's. So I think we're gonna have some sun mixed with showers, and maybe you'll see some towering cumulonimbus clouds tomorrow, which might make up for the clouds. But as far as it goes, yeah, it's not going to be a great day, unfortunately. Not the great day we were thinking it was going to be, again, because if we go to the weather prediction center here, you'll see, yeah, this front is just going to kind of wash out over us tomorrow. Let's see. Let's see, go to day 2. Yeah, you can see it kind of just slowly just crawls through. So that's the problem we have, again. And it all, again, goes back to the jet stream, which I usually do in the other weather updates that are longer, but I'll just briefly show it to you here. Yeah, it's just, yeah, it's not even, it's look at the little trough here, and you got, yeah, it's just not enough to push that front through. It's a very weak trough, and you can see how weak the jet stream is here. So it's not really going to push this front through very well. So that's why we're going to have all that residual moisture and the chance for some showers and thunderstorms. And, I want to go back to tidbits here. Should not have closed it up. And go look at the NAM. There's the NAM in as well, so we can see what the NAM does. And you can see, look at that. The NAM actually brings a severe line through at 07Z. It brings it holds it together in the wee hours of the morning. I mean, I don't ever remember getting severe weather in the wee hours of the morning here, but that looks like quite a line on the NAM there. And then the NAM doesn't bring anything else. The NAM almost looks like it's got a little more aggressive with it moving through. I don't know if I'm buying that NAM. But the instability is there. Let's just go to the Storm Prediction Center and see if they extended that severe well, actually, I don't need to. I could just go over here. Severe Thunderstorm Watch. Let's see if they extended it now. All right, and this is in effect still till 12, so we'll have to see if they extend it, because I don't think we're going to be out of the woods after midnight. I really don't. That instability is still there. We still have the front. We still have the humid air. So, just keep your eyes peeled, and, we might get some more storms even after midnight. So we'll have to see what happens, but tomorrow might be a disappointment. I'm hoping not, but, I'd like a nice, a day with a blue sky. Mostly sunny skies and low humidity, but I know that's a lot to ask for. So, thank you for watching, and have a good night.